Hello everyone, today we're going to be learning about Google Classroom. This is intended for teachers who would like to use an online forum for parents and students to connect online. So let's go ahead and get started. What is Google Classroom? It is an interactive way for teachers to post assignments, comments, newsletters, etc. online for parents and students to access. Google Classroom provides a code for your individual classroom. This allows only your parents and students with that code to access this forum. So let's go ahead and create our own. And click Google Classroom link. It's going to take us to Google. We're going to go ahead and click Google Classroom Sign In to Accounts. If you don't have a Google account already, please go ahead and create one. Now we're going to go up to the plus arrow up here. You can either join or create a class. So we are going to create one. Click I agree. Now we need to name our class. So go ahead and name your classroom. If you are a college professor, you can go ahead and add your section in the subject. Same if you are a high school or middle school teacher, go ahead and add your subject. Now, if you are a class, if you'd like to add your classroom number, you can, and press create. We created our classroom. You can see we have a main page. Here you can go ahead and post some statuses to your class, so parent conferences on Friday. We can either post this now or we can go ahead and schedule the post. So we're going to go ahead and post it now. So now everyone can go ahead and see my status update. Over here you can see there's no upcoming work, but we can add upcoming work. Here is our head theme. If you would like to change the theme, you can go ahead and select theme. Or if you would like to upload your own photo of your classroom, you can go ahead and click that. Let's go over to people. Here is here's my name, which means I'm the teacher. You can go ahead and add another teacher if you have more than one teacher who is head of your classroom. Here is where our students are able to be seen. To get them to log into our Google Classroom, you can go ahead and give them this code to sign in with. Let's go over to classwork. Here we can create assignments, quizzes, or materials that we would like for the students to know. So let's say reading quiz, and we can say how many points. Let's say 25 points. It is due November 14th, which we don't really need to put a time, but if you would like to, you can go ahead. If you want to create a topic, go ahead and create a topic. Now here you can either have the quiz online, if you would like to have the quiz online and automatically graded for you. But since this is a younger classroom, we're going to go ahead and press that X. If there's instructions you would like the parents to know about the quiz, go ahead and type in instructions. You can add a link, another Google form, a YouTube video, or another bridged to another website. So go ahead and press assign. And now we have our first quiz. Now if you go over to grades, here is where your students would be listed, and it would say all of the grades they have gotten for the class. But since we don't have any students yet, we will not be able to see any grades. So go ahead back over to stream, to our main page, and here now it says upcoming reading quiz. And you can click view all, and this is our to-do list, and it tells you how many is turned in, how many is assigned. And here will be all the reviewed work that I've done. Thank you for listening to my Google Classroom instruction. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment. Have a good day.